Welcome to an elegantly furnished 3-bedroom condo with top-of-the-line amenities. This 136 square meter unit on the 31st floor is a very short walk from Thonglor Skytrain station in a building with one of the most comprehensive and impressive facilities in Bangkok. You can look at the price of this unit in the video description and contact us through my website, jetgunther.com. From the entrance, you have digital door lock, home automation dashboard, shoe cabinet and storage, and the living room of this unit faces north, where you can see into Thonglor neighborhood, which is one of Bangkok's most happening areas. Think of trendy cafes, award-winning restaurants, and some of the best nightlife in town. So first, let's turn our attention to the kitchen area where you have food-grade solid surface, appliances by Copper Bush, including the microwave and oven, double sink, dishwashing machine, 4-head induction stove, and with matte surfaces, this is very practical for cooking because it's scratch-proof and fingerprint-proof, and you have a 4-door fridge right here, and neatly tucked in here is your laundry closet. And notice that the kitchen island is large enough to comfortably seat 3 people at the countertop. And as I come out to the living room area, the ceiling height opens up to 3 meters high. And in this unit, the central air conditioning comes prefabricated with PM 2.5 filtration. So for this unit here, they're actually running a crazy promotion right now where they'll literally gift you a Lotus Emea to go with the 2 parking spots you get with this unit. But if you'd rather just take the discount, I'm sure we can work something out. Now, there are also unfurnished units available of this layout here, and if you go for those, they'll offer you a 40% discount on furniture if you use the same company that furnished this unit here. And then after the dining room area, you come to the first bathroom of this unit with this beautiful marble. It comes with a rain shower as well because it also serves as the bathroom for the first bedroom that is on the opposite side of the hallway there. This bedroom faces north, giving you the same view as the living room. And with all the bedrooms in this unit, the floors turn to engineered wood. And if you get the unfurnished option here, you could turn this room into an office where you put a desk here to face that really nice view. And you can maybe have a foldable bed in case you have guests staying over. Further down the hallway is your second bedroom here that faces west, and it comes with a wardrobe closet here, down here as well, and also comes with an ensuite bathroom with a vanity with that dark marble and a wet zone that comes with a bathtub. And then we arrive at the master bedroom that takes up the northwest side of this unit. Very nice space where you can put a desk here facing that nice view if you want. And then turning around this way, you have a built-in makeup table and a wardrobe corner that turns into your ensuite that comes with that dark marble vanity and a wet zone that comes with a rain shower and bathtub. I also want to show you this 78 square meter 2-bedroom as it has a great layout with the island kitchen and living room in the middle and then flanked by either side by the bedrooms. It's a very functional layout that fully takes advantage of every square meter, and since it faces the east, it's nicely lit by the sun in the morning. Now, having the bedrooms on either side gives you more privacy, while the master ensuite has a great bathtub positioning with electric opaque screens, while the views in this unit are mostly unobstructed and consist of lots of trees. There's also this 59 square meter 1-bedroom with a great layout and attractive view. I'll post the details of all the available units in the video description, and you can get in touch with us through my website, jetgunther.com. We handle a variety of budgets and service all the major Thai cities. Now, one of the key selling points of this condo is its amazing facilities, and you can click this video that just popped up here to have a look. They include a floating garden with a glass house, a fully stacked gym in the sky, and a wraparound pool with beautiful panoramic views. I think you're gonna love it.